Good morning, I'm Monalisa Somanchi and I'm going to take you on a nature's tour today.
There's asymmetry in nature, yet a perfect balance of everything. That's the reason nature looks so beautiful in its own way. From birds to bees, from flowers to thorns. Nature is unbiased. It gives equal and fair chance to everything to grow and transform into something beautiful. May it be weeds or the nectar-seeking butterflies. Nature never judges anything on the basis of its present form. Instead, it supports and facilitates the process of transformation. Let us take the example of butterfly life cycle. No one but nature sees the potential in an ugly looking insect egg at the first stage, and then into a worm-like creature caterpillar in the second stage, and then a bat-like creature at the third stage, that it will someday transform into something beautiful like a butterfly. That's the reason. In spite of a constant struggle for life, nature appears serene and peaceful. As a trainer, as a mentor, and as a coach, I've learned 3 things from nature. 1. To believe in potential. 2. To act as a catalyst. And 3. To facilitate the unbiased transformation in people. I hope you enjoyed this tour of nature, an unbiased transformation in itself. Please like and subscribe.